Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python for Beginners series. In this video, we're going to learn something super useful, how to read float input from the user using Python. To get input from the user, we use the built-in input function. It waits for the user to type something in the console and then returns it as a string, even if the user types a number. So here, we're prompting the user with a message, enter a number, and whatever they type gets stored in a variable called input_string. The type of value that is stored in this variable is a string. But wait, our goal is to get an actual float, not a string. That's where the float function comes in. It's a built-in function in Python that converts a string containing a decimal number into a floating point number. Pass the input_string as argument to the float function, and it returns a float that is converted from the given input string. Let us store the result in a variable, input_number. And print the input_number to the output using a print statement. Input_number holds the actual number as a float, and we can use it in calculations. Let's also play around with it a bit. We can add and subtract values to show that it's now a number we can work with. Let us print the result when the input number is added with 3.14. And when subtracted with 1.2. Run the program. There you have it. First, it read the input from user, then it echoed the same value to the output. Then the result of adding 3.14 and subtracting 1.2 from the given input is also calculated and printed to output. One more thing. Generally, when we would like to read a float from user, we use float and input functions in a single line like this. We pass the string value returned by input function directly to float function, without any variables like input_string. Let us rerun the program and check how it works. To sum it up, the input function always gives you a string, even if you enter numbers. So if you need a float, use the float function to convert that string to a number you can actually work with. If this video helped you understand how to read numbers with decimal points from users, give it a like, subscribe for more beginner Python topics.